Hey everybody, it's your boy Coach Jay with the FGC Simplified Community. We're just getting off details of our last 3-day workshop. And listen, I have gotten so many inbox requests and people letting me know that they were not able to attend the workshop because it was during the week, because of work and all that. Can I please do a workshop on the weekend? So I've heard your requests, so we have put together a 1-day workshop that's going to be August 31st from 8 a.m. to 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So for those that are off on the weekends, you have no excuse. If you are not off on the weekends, call off on Saturday so you could attend our first and only 1-day workshop. Is going to be a 5-hour training where we're going to teach you our system called the Flow so you could be able to read, understand, and win federal government contracts. All right. Link will be down in the description. Register soon so that you can secure your spot. And I will see you on the workshop so you can learn how to win federal government contracting. All right, Coach out.